Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss another basic operation related to matrices, which is the matrix multiplication. Okay, so let us first discuss the basic condition for two matrices to be multiplied. Okay, let us say we have a matrix A with order P cross Q and another matrix with order R cross S. Now, in order for this two matrices A and B to be eligible for multiplication, the condition is that the number of columns, that is Q, the number of columns of matrix A or the first matrix, should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, that is matrix B. So, for this two matrices to be eligible for multiplication, Q should be equal to R. Okay, so we can write it down as number of columns of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. I am using the terms 1 and 2, that is first matrix and second matrix, because in matrix multiplication the commutative, the distributive law is handled in a different way. That is, A into B, it is not necessary that it should be B equal to A. It is not equal to that. That's why it is very important and essential which matrix comes first. Okay, that's why I am using this notation first matrix and second matrix. Here the first matrix is A and the second matrix is B. So the condition is that the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. So here first matrix is A and second matrix is B. And another interesting concept associated with this is that let us the product matrix of these two multiplication of the two matrices, the matrix that we get, let us that be called as matrix P or the product matrix. The dimension or the order of that matrix will be P cross S. Okay, the dimension of that matrix will be P cross S, that is the number of rows of the first matrix. It will have the same number of rows as that of the first matrix, that is A, and same number of columns as that of the second matrix, where P cross A is equal to this. Okay, this is the dimension, and for this Q and R should be equal to each other. This is the matrix multiplication process, the technique, the general representation. Okay.